I wish to call everybody Abasoga over there, whether you went to school or not. Our issues edo Abasoga today malire bene na bene Gololo the Ngobi of Chiguru chiefdom. A defendant. You see, in court, I've been in the court room. In court, you don't have to be emotional when you are making your defense or showing somebody. And in court, you don't have to gamble. Abasoga okumana chindi no kumanira chindi. I've been coming to court since we were sued. His Royal Highness Edward Columbus Wambuzi Bondo is a Mwisengobi like me. Vis a voix. His Royal Highness William Wilberforce Nadiope Gavula Owokuna is a Mwisengobi. The 5 Baisengobi are legitimate chiefs to be the Chavazinga, whether for life or term limit. So I have enjoyed, we have the ruling, I've been there. If you are not strong enough and you are in that room, you may collapse. A lot has been said. You see, since ill feeling is a matter of mind, there have been a number of things that are not supposed to come to court. I wish to call everybody Abasoga over there, whether you went to school or not. Our issues edo Abasoga today malire bene na bene, where we shall have win-win business, not win-lose. Because win-lose, when you don't meet, you don't communicate. Timwagana na timula msagania. If win-win business, mwagana na mwala msagania, muna baba muganda wanga na mwanize, abochi bobu mamba. Ebintu bya institution you watch Abazinga Abasoga mubireke, whether you have money, you have political influence, you have oba ekikula kyo mubive mu mibitulekere ife bene na bene Abaisengobi ababito the Bito dynasty mbra ne binebidye bino nze ndikwebaza buli yampagabire wele frantikano Chris Mudola ida mukoti walube kisada ki over the wena yanguwa Ngobi Daniel walube mwena mwide nze ndidye kyokukola aye kosi sedo gediribawo mutafulumamu mubewo mugume n'abadulizi